If you're in the market for a full-size luxury SUV, the 2025 Cadillac Escalade is likely on your radar. Packed with bold styling, cutting-edge tech, and a commanding presence, it's a vehicle that turns heads wherever it goes. But is it the right choice for you? In this video, we're breaking down the 5 biggest pros and cons of owning the 2025 Cadillac Escalade. From its lavish interior to its fuel economy, we'll cover everything you need to know before making a decision. Let's dive in. This is Parth, and you are watching MotorNation. Starting up with the pros. First pro of this SUV is powerful engine option. The 2025 Cadillac Escalade isn't just about luxury, it's about power. And under the hood, it delivers big. The standard 6.2-liter V8 pumps out 420 horsepower and 460 lb-ft of torque, giving this massive SUV impressive acceleration and a towing capacity of up to 8,200 pounds. But for those who crave even more muscle, Cadillac offers the Escalade V, featuring a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 that cranks out a staggering 682 horsepower and 653 lb-ft of torque. That's enough power to launch this full-size luxury SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds. Whether you're cruising down the highway, hauling a trailer, or just want the thrill of a high-performance engine in a luxury package, the Escalade delivers an unmatched driving experience. It's not just a statement piece, it's a powerhouse on wheels. The second pro is its ultra-luxurious interior. Step inside the 2025 Cadillac Escalade, and you're greeted with pure luxury. Cadillac has spared no expense in making the cabin feel like a first-class lounge on wheels. Soft, premium leather upholstery wraps the seats, while real wood, aluminum, and metal trims add a sophisticated touch. The attention to detail is impressive, from the contrast stitching to the ambient lighting that sets the perfect mood. And comfort? It's top tier. The Escalade offers massaging front seats, heated and ventilated seating in both rows, and even available semi-aniline leather for an even more plush experience. Whether you're the driver or a passenger, this SUV is designed to make every journey feel like a VIP experience. Third pro is the cutting-edge tech. The 2025 Cadillac Escalade isn't just about luxury. It's packed with some of the most advanced technology on the market. Front and center is the massive curved OLED display, stretching across 55 inches of high-definition real estate. This screen isn't just for show. It delivers crisp graphics, customizable information, and seamless access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls. But the tech doesn't stop there. Cadillac's Super Cruise system brings hands-free driving to the highway, using cameras, radar, and GPS to let the Escalade steer, brake, and even change lanes on its own, on approved roads, of course. And for audiophiles, the AKG Studio Reference Sound System is a game-changer. With 36 speakers placed throughout the cabin, it creates an immersive, concert-like experience. Whether you're on a long road trip or just commuting, the Escalade ensures you're surrounded by cutting-edge tech that makes every drive effortless and entertaining. Fourth pro is that it's spacious and comfortable. Luxury means nothing without comfort, and the 2025 Cadillac Escalade delivers in a big way. With room for up to 8 passengers, this full-size SUV offers plenty of space for family, friends, and even VIPs. The second row captain's chairs provide first-class comfort, while the third row is actually usable, not just an afterthought like in some competitors. And finally, the fifth pro, it's now even offered an all-electric version. For those who want the legendary luxury of the Escalade without the gas bill, Cadillac has introduced the all-electric Escalade IQ. This futuristic SUV delivers an impressive 450 miles of range on a single charge, making it one of the longest-range electric SUVs on the market. But don't think going electric means sacrificing power. The Escalade IQ packs over 750 horsepower in Velocity Max mode, launching this massive SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. And thanks to GM's Ultium battery technology, charging is lightning fast, adding up to 100 miles of range in just 10 minutes with a DC fast charger. Inside, the Escalade IQ is just as luxurious as its gas-powered sibling, with high-end materials, advanced tech, and the same spacious comfort. If you want a zero-emissions Escalade without compromising on power or prestige, the IQ is the future of full-size luxury SUVs. Moving on to the cons. Firstly, it's extremely expensive. Luxury never comes cheap, and the 2025 Cadillac Escalade is no exception, with base models starting around $85,000 and high-end trims, like the Escalade V, soaring well over $150,000. This SUV is a serious investment. And if you're eyeing the all-electric Escalade IQ, expect to shell out even more. But it's not just the upfront cost. Maintenance, insurance, and fuel costs for the gas models can add up quickly. While you're getting a top-tier luxury experience, it's worth asking, is the prestige worth the price? For many, the Escalade's high cost might be its biggest drawback. The second major con is its poor fuel economy. Power comes at a price, and in the case of the 2025 Cadillac Escalade, that price is fuel economy. The standard 6.2-liter V8 is thirsty, struggling to stay above 15 miles per gallon in real-world driving. Even with cylinder deactivation and modern efficiency tech, this isn't the SUV for fuel-conscious buyers. The Escalade V? Even worse. With 682 horsepower, this beast burns through fuel at a shocking rate, often dipping below 12 mpg in the city. If fuel costs matter to you, be prepared for frequent and expensive stops at the gas station. Of course, there's the Escalade IQ, which eliminates gas costs entirely. But if you're sticking with the V8, just know you'll be spending a lot more time at the pump. Third one is about its size. It's a large SUV and, at times, is hard to maneuver. The Cadillac Escalade makes a bold statement, but its massive size can be a daily driving nightmare, especially in tight urban spaces. At over 17 feet long and nearly 7 feet wide, this SUV demands extra attention when navigating crowded streets, parking garages, or drive-thrus. Maneuvering in tight spots? Not so easy. Even with rear-wheel steering and parking assist features, the sheer bulk of the Escalade makes parallel parking or squeezing in a compact space a challenge. And let's not forget about narrow roads or multi-level parking garages. This SUV simply doesn't fit everywhere. While the commanding road presence is a plus if you're driving in tight city conditions, you might find yourself wishing for something a little smaller. Fourth is about its maintenance costs. Owning a luxury SUV like the Escalade isn't just about the sticker price. It's about the long-term costs, too. And with premium materials, high-tech features, and complex engineering, maintenance and repairs don't come cheap. From oil changes to brake jobs, everything costs more on an Escalade. And if something goes wrong with the Super Cruise system, OLED screens, or air suspension, expect to see some eye-watering repair bills. And finally, the fifth con is about the fast depreciation. Luxury SUVs are known for steep depreciation, and the Cadillac Escalade is no exception. While it holds value better than some competitors, it still loses a significant chunk of its worth within the first few years. Why? High starting prices, expensive maintenance, and rapid tech advancements mean that newer models quickly outshine older ones. If you plan to sell or trade in your Escalade after a few years, be prepared to take a financial hit. So, is the 2025 Cadillac Escalade worth buying? If you're looking for a powerful, ultra-luxurious SUV packed with cutting-edge technology and unmatched road presence. The Escalade delivers in every way. Its spacious interior, premium materials, and even an all-electric option make it a top-tier choice in the full-size luxury SUV segment. However, its high price tag, poor fuel economy, and expensive maintenance might make some buyers think twice. If you can handle the costs, the Escalade remains an iconic and compelling choice. But if efficiency and long-term value are your priorities, you may want to explore other options. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MotorNation for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and the latest automotive insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.